Hey everybody, this is Bruce at Jordan Woodworks. It's been a while since we've seen a challenge on YouTube, at least I haven't. So I think I'm going to initiate a challenge for the month of June. And it's going to be a yo-yo challenge. That's right, a yo-yo challenge. Hashtag yo-yo challenge 2023. So I'm calling out everybody, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you're doing, let's make a yo-yo. Videotape it, take pictures, post it, share it. All I ask, leave the hashtag. And if you feel like subscribing to my channel, subscribe, share, like it. If you don't, that's cool too. So it's a yo-yo challenge for the month of June. Hashtag yo-yo challenge 2023 for the whole month of June. You can make it out of wood, metal, wooden metal, wooden resin, whatever you want to do. Post it, share it, do it, and let's just have some fun with it. At the end of it, give it away to a kid, family member, a niece, a nephew, grandkid, whatever. Have fun with it, and let's get this challenge started. It's a yo-yo challenge for June. Let's do this. And before I forget, I've got a couple of special challenges. I'm challenging Carl Jacobson at Woodshop TV. Let's get him on this challenge. Daniel Dubois over at Turnage Dubois. Tell your friends, tell your buddies. You know what? Let's get Sacco Jocko in here too. Michael Early. Come on. I'm challenging you, dude. It's been a while since you made a YouTube video. Yo-yo challenge is on, buddy. Who knows? Maybe Jimmy DeResta can get on here and turn one out of brass or something. That'd be killer. But anyway, it's on. Doug over at Pole Barn, you're in on it too, buddy. Check it out. Yo-yo challenge. Calling you out. Later.